No president of the United States is my moral compass, and they do not have the keys to my kingdom. So what do when there's just so much uncertainty? My answer is you create certainty. Think about it. Like, I gotta focus on the things that I can control. I gotta do the things that I can control. So like the morning after the election, you could sit there and go, oh my God, what's going on in the world? Or you can say, I gotta go to the gym. I gotta do my gratitudes. I gotta do my affirmations. I should call my mom and tell her I love her. I should call my wife. I should check in with my boys. I should review my goals. I should get back to doing what I do best, because that's the stuff that I have control of. That's also, by the way, what brings me certainty. If you're watching this right now and you felt any ounce of uncertainty the last week or so, I would ask you just to consider, you felt uncertainty. You felt uncertainty. I'm choosing to feel certainty. That's the way you move your body. It's the questions that you ask yourself. It's what you give your attention to. It's what you give your mind space to. You have to decide at the end of the day, and I'm gonna be bold and say this, no president of the United States is my moral compass, and they do not have the keys to my kingdom. I'm in control, just like you. You with me?